Me too. No more Valentine's here. In how many years I have no date with in Valentine's Day. I'm always here, stay here, and got a Zumba with my friend. That's why you visit here in the Philippines, and it's up to you if you want. You want to date with me. I miss that one. But every time Valentine's Day, I date with my friend. I have a